Look at what we're looking like. I've not brushed it, I've not oiled it, I've not done anything. There's no product on this. It is just fresh from the dryer. Today I'm making my curly old wig new. You can see I'm combing it. I want to make it very fluffy and straight before washing it. So we are using the Tresemme shampoo and conditioner. In addition, we are using Moroccan argan oil for the revamping, and we are using body and therapy. This body and therapy oil will make the hair look good. Just watch with me. I'm using hot water. The water is still very hot. This 3-in-1 shampoo. And now I'm adding my hair into the water. The water is so hot, I can't even put my hand. So I had to use the comb to do it. Using the comb, I had to still make sure that I dip the hair in the water, allow it to simmer for 20 minutes, then I start washing. I used enough shampoo on the hair in order for it to be smooth and soft. Now the dirts are out. Look at how dirty the water is. Yet I put more shampoo because I really used products on this hair when I was wearing it. So I want all the product to come out cured, and that's why I'm putting shampoo everywhere, even on the closure. All right. Now I'm going to be combing this hair as I'm washing, because that is the secret to having a well revamped hair. If you want your hair to be new, make sure you're combing it constantly while you're washing. After that, I'm going to rinse all the shampoo products out of it with ordinary water. Now I'm going to comb it again while I'm using the ordinary water. And aside combing it, I'm also going to rinse it with warm water. Water is already on fire. But for now, the mixture I add in my last video, if you've not seen that video, go and see it. I just added the body therapy to it. You know, I didn't use this particular oil for my straight hair. So if you want to revamp your straight hair, go and watch that video. You're going to benefit a lot from it. And yeah, we are mixing the mixture. Without this product, there is nothing like revamping, okay? So this is the revamping process. If you want to learn, guys, mix it thoroughly and make sure you go through your hair. Keep rubbing it in, rub it in thoroughly in order for it to get absorbed in the product, and you'll see how fluffy and smooth your hair will be. And because of doing that, don't forget to keep combing your hair. All right, comb it, make it fluffy and straight. You're going to enjoy your hair. This hair did not shed at all. Like, it didn't shed one bit, and it's a coily weave. Just imagine that. It's really so good. That's the essence of getting the right hair, the original product. All right, so I'm combing it thoroughly in order for everything to come out good. And now I'm putting it in a ziploc. There is already hot water on fire waiting for me. So I'm just going to put this inside the pot and pour the water and leave it to simmer on the fire for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I get it out of the fire. After getting it out of the hot water, I rinsed it with warm water and made sure there was still moisture in the hair before drying it. Hey fams, welcome back to the channel. And now you've seen all the process of making your wig, guys. Let me unveil our wig to you. I mean, goodness, fantastic job. Did you see that? Can you see what I'm doing? This is, you need to smell this. I'm not even exaggerating. Honestly, the products used in this video are products that are super essential for this process. There are other products you could use for revamping, but you see, that particular product I use is very affordable. So unlike some other products that are not affordable, which I also showed you in one of my market videos, guys, look at my coily hair. This is how to revamp your old wigs, dirty wigs, ugly wigs, old looking wigs. Make it brand new. This is how to revamp your wig, guys. Look at the feeling. Like, it's so fluffy, guys. Let me see. I've not combed it. This is the first time I'm combing it since it got dried. Do you see how it's going so free? Like, there's no tangle. It's so tangle free. That's the essence of combing it properly when you're revamping. While you're in the process of revamping, you should definitely comb it properly. Shit. How am I supposed to say shit? Man, I'm loving this, guys. You know what? Okay, now let me pull this off so that you're gonna see this. Like, I've not watched this. I don't know if you guys would like to see the revamping of this, but it's the same process with the revamping. The last revamping I did, that's the same process you're gonna use for this as well. But look at this, guys. You cannot use brush for this. Of course, some use brush for their hair, but it's safer to use this kind of comb, a big comb for coily hair. Kinkies, use a big comb instead of the brush. Okay, of course you can use brush. Yeah, if you want me to do a video on that, maybe next time I'm revamping this, I could, but for now, use this kind of free and big brush. You're going to get this result, guys. I'm going to tag the picture of this same hair while I've not washed it, while it was still good, while it was brand new. I think I made a video on that, right, where I was testing it out. Okay, you saw what it looks like then. Look how it looks like now after washing. I've not treated it, I've not done anything. This is just raw from the dryer, raw. Okay, I've not done anything. There's no oil. I need you guys to see how, guys, look at it. Just look at it. Look at it now. As in, this is not something anybody has to tell you. Look at the closure. Look at how neat it is. Okay, guys, there's no other revamping that is better than this one. Guys, take it anywhere. I tell you, take it anywhere. Okay, now I'm going to remove this so that I try this on and you guys are going to see the perfect result that it's giving me eventually. Okay, guys. Okay, people, so this is a mirror. All right, I'm not even wearing my mesh cap, my wig cap for this. Okay, so let's do this. All right, let's do center pattern. All right, guys, look at what we are looking like. Look at what we're looking like. I've not brushed it, I've not oiled it, I've not done anything. There's no product on this. It is just fresh from the dryer. All right, so guys, what would you say? Would you go for this revamp? Guys, if you love this video, if you found value in one way or another, please give this video a like, please subscribe, and do well to share. Let more people know that they can do this at home in the comfort of their home and using good original products. All the products I've used will be linked in the description below. You guys can call to find out from Mrs. UC Madison who gave me those products. Guys, whoa, oh gosh, I'm loving this. Guys, what do you think? What do you think this is a spec? As in, is she a spec? Okay, guys, so we have come to the end of this vlog, but before we go, please do watch my next video. If you've not subscribed yet, do well to subscribe. We have interesting videos on this channel. You guys are my rock, you know that already, right? And this period, I'm trying to put out more content. I'm thinking that for December, I may have to roll out more and more content. So it will mean it is not only going to be a business vlog, more vlogs will be coming on this channel. Guys, do well to watch. I'll be looking out for your support. All right, so if you've not seen my live broadcasts, guys, before you take that jackpot move, go and check out my live broadcast. You're going to learn a lot from Silver's empire. She really let it all out in that video. Just chill, enjoy that video to the end. Okay, so guys, this is the end of this vlog. I'll be seeing you. You know I love you already, right? Stay blessed.